What's up, crypto fam? It's your panda friend Zinda here, and we've got something big for you today. Imagine trading one token and getting a chance to share 3.4 million of it. That's exactly what's happening right now with Meteora, MET, on Binance. Up to 3,400,000 MET in token vouchers. I'll walk you through how to join, what you must do, and how you could claim your share. Stick around, because this one closes soon, until Nov 28, 10 on clock UTC. Alright, so here's the gist. Binance is celebrating the listing of Meteora, ticker MET, by launching a spot trading campaign. The total prize pool, 3,400,000 MET. The promotion period runs from Nov 14, 2025, 10 on clock UTC to Nov 28, 2025, 10 and UTC. And yes, this is your chance to trade MET and potentially earn token vouchers from the pool. You can withdraw anytime. Step 1. Head to the campaign page on Binance and click Join Now to register your participation. Step 2. Decide which reward tier you aim for. If you trade at least $500 USD equivalent in any of the eligible MET pairs during the campaign, you join Promotion A. You get a voucher of 5 to 30 MET, limited to the first 70,267 users. If you trade at least $1,000 USD equivalent during the period, you join Promotion B, trade tournament style. Share up to 2,976,000 MET from the pool. Your share depends on your trading volume relative to the group. Step 3. Make sure all your spot trades count. Buy or sell the eligible pairs. Zero-fee pairs are excluded. Step 4. After the campaign ends, check your rewards hub for token voucher distribution. But remember, this is a campaign, not a guaranteed profit. Use good risk management.